Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we have already covered these few points in my previous videos. So today we will be covering on having different base but the same power. So the law of indices indicate that if you have the same power with a different base, it's a division. So you just take it that is A divided by B, which is A over B here, entire thing to the power of M. Okay, so instead of following the law blindly, let's try it out on our own to verify if it's correct. Okay, so what the law says is A to the power M divided by B to the power M equals to A over B to the power of M. Okay, so if A is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, so how many times have I done it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times, so it's 4 to the power of 5. So what is 4 to the power of 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1024. Okay, 1024. So this equates to 1024. Now what about B? B, if my B is 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals to 2 to the power of 5. If I'm not wrong, it's 32. Let's try. Let's try it out. 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4. Oops, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the answer is 32. So 32. Now, in primary school we learn 1024 divided by 32. We can write it 1024 over 32. It's the same thing. So 1024 divided by 32, it gives us 32. Okay, so in this case it's 32, and it's actually 2 to the power of 5. Okay, and if we want to work this out based on the law of indices, okay, it tells us that it should be 4 to the power of 5 over 2 to the power of 5, and it will eventually become 4 over 2, the entire thing to the power of 5. Now in this case you can cancel off 2 and 1, so actually I get 2 to the power of 5. So it's the same thing, you can see. Okay, so 1024 is from this 4 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 5. Okay, so you can see how it translates. Then what about in algebraic form? So in algebraic form, the A is actually, okay, what is written here? A to the power of M. A is actually 4. So it's A times A times A times A times A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A to the power of 5. Okay, B will be number 2. Okay, so the number B is number 2. So it's B times B times B times B times B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So B to the power of 5. Okay, so in this case, it will be related to this. A to the power of 5 divided by B to the power of 5 equals to A over B to the power of 5. Okay, so if there is questions in the test and exam that tells you y to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 3. So you will have y over x bracket to the power of 3. Okay? How to get to this is actually y cubed over x cubed. Okay? And this one is a to the power of 5, b to the power of 5. So this meant the same thing. So depends on the question. Sometimes you need to write it in this format. Sometimes you need to write it in this format. Okay? Especially when you have equations that you need to cancel. So you need to know that this translates to this. Okay? So hope that the sharing is useful for today. So we have again covered one more, which is a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m equals to a over b to the power of m. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So stay tuned for the next video for the upcoming laws. Bye bye.